Whether it's action-packed thrills you're after or a fun family day out, Dubai's many theme parks and water parks have everything you could wish for. With themes from around the world, rides for children of all ages, and year-round sunshine, it's no surprise that Dubai is known for its many theme parks. From theme parks dedicated to Hollywood to Dubai's coolest amusement park on the Palm Islands, let's take a look at some of the most popular theme parks in Dubai and help you plan your perfect holiday. First on the list is Aquaventure. Situated in the Atlantis Resort in the Palm Islands, Aquaventure Water Park is the largest amusement park in Dubai. This one-of-a-kind water park is not only home to some of the most thrilling rides in Dubai, but also has a shark pool, an aquarium, and access to a private beach on its grounds. Aquaventure has over 30 rides and attractions that include the world's tallest water slide, the tallest vertical drop in a slide, cliff diving and artificial surf wave pools, scuba diving facilities, an aquarium, a dedicated kids splash area, and much more. Tickets to Aquaventure Water Park cost around 270 dirhams. You can also add a visit to the Lost Chambers Aquarium for an additional 30 dirhams. At number 2, we have Wild Wadi. Situated across the gorgeous Burj Al Arab, the Wild Wadi Water Park is all about having fun with a view. The first water park to open in Dubai, Wild Wadi still holds the record of having the largest wave pool in the Middle East and the fastest free-fall water slide outside the Americas. Wild Wadi has numerous rides and slides purpose-built for people of all ages. The most famous ride is the Jumeirah Skira, one of the tallest and fastest free-fall water slides in the world. Other popular highlights of Wild Wadi include Breakers Bay, the largest wave pool in the Middle East, a surf pool that moves 7 tons of water every second, and a 360-meter long lazy river. Wild Wadi is one of the most accessible water parks in Dubai, with tickets that cost just under 150 dirhams. You can also add a priority pass to get instant access to all the rides for an additional 100 dirhams. Yas Water World is the third water park on the list, and visiting it requires a 1-hour drive to Yas Island in Abu Dhabi. Neighbouring Ferrari World and the Yas Marina F1 circuit, Yas Water World is home to tornado water slides, a giant wave pool, a looping free-fall slide, and a fast-flowing wavy river, among other popular rides. Yas Water World was built around the theme of The Legend of the Lost Pearl and is home to over 40 different rides and slides, many of them holding records of their own. Popular rides include the first looping water slide in the Middle East, one of the world's longest suspended roller coasters, and Bubbles Barrel, the world's largest surfable sheet wave. Tickets to Yas Water World cost just under 300 dirhams. Combining them with tickets to Ferrari World will cost you just over 300 dirhams. Fourth on the list is Ferrari World. Though not in Dubai, no theme park list is complete without Ferrari World. Neighbouring Yas Water World in Abu Dhabi, Ferrari World is hands down the most popular theme park in the Middle East. From rides that go faster than the average speeds of an F1 car round a track to tasting authentic Italian food, there is something for everyone at Ferrari World. The main attraction in Ferrari World is Formula Rossa, the fastest roller coaster in the world. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2 seconds and propels you to blinding speeds of up to 240 km per hour. And if that's a little too much thrill, you can always race your friends in racing simulators, tour the historic Ferrari factory in Maranello, or race go-karts at the Karting Academy. With so much of world-class entertainment to experience, Ferrari World is a must for everyone visiting the UAE. Tickets to Ferrari World cost just under 300 dirhams. Combining them with tickets to Yas Water World will cost you just over 300 dirhams. At number 5, we have the very unique Ski Dubai. From stellar ski slopes to real-life penguin encounters, Ski Dubai is the Middle East's first indoor ski resort and features an incredible 22,500 square meters covered with real snow 365 days of the year. With runs that vary in difficulty, height and gradient, skiers and snowboarders of all skill levels can enjoy the slopes of Ski Dubai. The incredible slopes of Ski Dubai feature a ski lift to carry you up the hill, 5 different ski runs for you to come down, and indoor zip line and zorbing facilities. For experienced snow athletes, Ski Dubai features a 400 meters long run and a freestyle zone with snow ramps to show off your tricks. Beginners and children have a dedicated snow park spread over 300 square meters and a chance to encounter resident penguins that come out for a walk every day. Tickets to Ski Dubai cost just over 200 dirhams. For an additional 100 dirhams, you can add on a bonus 2-hour skiing or snowboarding session or a chance to meet the penguins of Ski Dubai. Sixth is IMG Worlds of Adventure. IMG is the world's biggest indoor theme park and is packed to the brim with immersive rides and attractions. Situated in the City of Arabia Entertainment Complex, IMG Worlds is a state-of-the-art amusement park with rides, 3D shows, and many immersive experiences. Zones and rides in IMG Worlds are themed around some of the biggest entertainment brands in the world, such as Marvel Comics, Cartoon Network, Lost Valley Dinosaur Adventure, and IMG Boulevard. IMG Worlds include a host of rides from the Marvel franchisee. You can swing around the city with Spider-Man, fly Quinjets with the Avengers, and watch Hulk fight in a one-of-a-kind 360-degree 3D experience. In the jungles of the Lost Valley, you can get up close with dinosaurs and then join the Powerpuff Girls to save Townsville. There's even a haunted hotel to scare the daylights out of you if you want. Ticket to IMG Worlds costs just under 300 dirhams. You can also add a priority pass to get instant access to all the rides for an additional 100 dirhams. The final 4 theme parks on the list are all located within the larger Dubai Parks and Resorts. Situated on the outskirts of the city in Jebel Ali, Dubai Parks and Resorts is one of the largest amusement park destinations in the world. The 4 parks that makes up Dubai Parks and Resorts are Motion Gate, Bollywood Park, Legoland and Legoland Water Park. First from this list is Motion Gate. Nicknamed Hollywood in the Desert, Motion Gate is divided into 4 themed zones inspired by Hollywood giants such as Sony's Columbia Pictures, DreamWorks Animation, The Smurfs, and Lionsgate. Together they feature 27 rides and attractions that provide the ultimate cinematic experience for the whole family. The rides at Motion Gate combine amusement park thrills with multi-sensory interactive experiences. From joining the Ghostbusters and saving New York City to the Smurf Village Express, escaping zombie hordes to Kung Fu Panda 4D experiences, Motion Gate Dubai has something for everyone. Tickets to Motion Gate cost just under 160 dirhams. If you wish to access any of the other 3 parks in Dubai Parks and Resorts, you can go for 2 park pass that gives you access to Motion Gate and any one of Bollywood Park, Legoland or Legoland Water Park. The second Dubai Parks and Resort offering is Bollywood Park, a theme park named after and dedicated to India's rich film industry. From multi-sensory 4D theatre adventures to epic Bollywood performances that will transport you back through the 60s and 70s, Bollywood Parks is a one-of-a-kind experience. Experience the colourful streets of Bombay and fly high on the tallest swing ride in the world. You can also take a walk through carefully recreated film sets or watch one of the many colourful musical and dance performances. With over 20 rides and attractions, Bollywood Park is perfect for even those who know nothing about the Indian film industry. Tickets to Bollywood Park are priced similar to Motion Gate and cost just under 160 dirhams. If you wish to access any of the other 3 parks in Dubai Parks and Resorts, you can go for 2 park pass that gives you access to Bollywood Park and any one of Motion Gate, Legoland or Legoland Water Park. The third Dubai Parks and Resort theme park is Legoland, brought to you by the most popular toy manufacturers in the world. Legoland features 6 unique lands with distinct themes. Each one of them provides visitors with a unique experience every step of the way. Legoland has some of the most unique amusement park rides in Dubai. Where else can you learn to drive, pilot a plane, dive deep under the sea and slay a dragon? There's also a city made of Legos for you to explore, a garage to build and race Lego cars, and more than 20 other experiences for people of all ages. Tickets to Legoland are priced similar to other parks in Dubai Parks and Resorts and cost just under 160 dirhams. If you wish to access any of the other 3 parks, you can go for 2 park pass that gives you access to Legoland and any one of Motion Gate, Bollywood Park or Legoland Water Park. Concluding our list is the final theme park from Dubai Parks and Resort theme park, Legoland Water Park. Neighbouring Legoland and sharing a lot with it in common, this unique water park is one of the world's first water park dedicated to Legos. Unlike other water parks, Legoland Water Park has been designed specifically keeping a family with children in mind. Not only are the slides comfortable and safe, but they are also exhilarating in some cases. While there are thrilling attractions like the 60-foot drop splash out and a 6-track slide racer, there are also gentle play areas and wave pools for children to enjoy in. Tickets to Legoland are priced similar to other parks in Dubai Parks and Resorts and cost just under 160 dirhams. If you wish to access any of the other 3 parks, you can go for 2 park pass that gives you access to Legoland and any one of Motion Gate, Bollywood Park or Legoland Water Park. If you are in Dubai or planning to visit the city, then you can book your theme park tickets. We've got tickets to every theme park in Dubai. Head over to headout.com and check out our extensive collection of experiences and activities that highlight the best of what Dubai has to offer. If you want to learn more about Dubai and plan your holiday to a T, then check out our blog. We've got detailed guides for every theme park in Dubai. You can also get discount and cashback offers on your tickets too. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button and do let us know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more travel guides from around the world.